Stop by and take a look at the 2019 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, heated rear seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.